Are you wondering if YouTube TV has a quad box feature for watching multiple games or shows at once? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you whether YouTube TV offers this functionality. If you're a sports fan or love multitasking, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently have a built-in quad box feature that allows you to watch 4 channels simultaneously on a single screen. This feature is commonly found on traditional cable or satellite services, especially during live sports events, but YouTube TV hasn't introduced a similar option yet. However, there are a few workarounds you can try. For example, you can use multiple devices, like a tablet, phone, and computer, to stream different channels at the same time. Alternatively, some smart TVs or external devices allow picture-in-picture or multi-view setups, which could mimic a quad box experience. That said, YouTube TV does let you record multiple shows or games using its unlimited DVR feature, so you can catch up on anything you miss later. While the lack of a quad box might be disappointing for some users, these alternatives can help you stay connected to your favorite content. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV has a quad box feature, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.